Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start inside Settings with your Apple ID. This is where purchase records live. Open Media and Purchases, then view Account so you can access purchase history. This shows each app and charge. You need your device passcode and Apple ID password to change receipts or report problems, so have them ready. Once you see the item, tap it to reveal details and the Report a Problem link. This first actionable step lets you flag unwanted app purchases and begin removal or refunds immediately. Now you'll execute the core removal. Tap Report a Problem and choose the precise purchase. Explain why, accidental download, unauthorized charge, or duplicate, and submit. Apple logs the request and may remove the charge or hide the item. For subscriptions, cancel under Subscriptions in Settings. For family sharing, the organizer may need to approve refunds or changes, so make sure to communicate. Once done, monitor email for confirmation and check purchase history. Again, to verify the item is no longer active or billed. Finish by confirming outcomes. Check the receipt email and your bank statement to ensure any refund processed. Remove the app from your device, and if you want it hidden fully, go to App Store, right arrow your profile, right arrow Purchased, swipe to hide or offload. If the Report a Problem flow stalls or you don't get a response within a few days, contact Apple support and provide the case ID. They can escalate. Make sure to keep screenshots and dates, though speed resolution if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.